This video is published by mbkpinternational.com. In this video we're going to talk about the G17 Pro. This video would also be for the G12 Pro. It's the same cutter, just a little smaller than the G12 is, but this is the G17. And I'm doing a video on the cut pad, installing the cut pad. Some people have problems with the cut pad getting it in. I'm going to show you how to get it in correctly. And I'm going to take this cut pad here, and we're going to one thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to remove this. And you're going to want to have your clamp all the way up and your blade all the way up, so your blade handle. And before you start messing with the cut pad, you want to put this, you should have received one of these safety shields, arrow up. You're going to put this in like this, and you're going to get this bottom part completely under it here, and then you're going to snap it into place like that. So the bottom part should be under the blade now, because if you got your hand in here, you can cut your knuckles on the top of the blade, because the blade is right up there. Now this is covering the edge of the blade, and you can look under there to make sure you're covering the blade. But just now you know you're not going to get cut from the blade there. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in to show you one issue these things can have. And when you put a cut pad in, you start it first here on this side. You go here, back in there, because if you hit that, it's not going to come in here. And if you hit this, it's not going to go in there. So you got to go in this side to the back, right there, and then get this front side in. And once it's in, you can push it down, and then you can push the rest down. If it won't go down, you just got to push these things in. And the way this tool's to allow this to, and I'll show you what it does later. But you want to come in at the bottom is the best, and like a down, almost a down angle on it. That will give you. And if you need to, you go down and then you kind of pry up a little bit. Once you go all the way in, you can pry up a little bit. And then pry up a little bit like that to get this down like this. See, that gets past once. Now it's going down in the middle, you see, but it won't go down here. So I'm going to show you something. This thing is just a little too long, and that's what causes it sometimes when you can't get that end down. So, and I did that on purpose. This cut pad is just a hair too long. And we're going to get a different cut pad here. We're going to go in. This cut pad is just slightly shorter, so I'm going to start by going in there. And I'm going to get this side in, and I'm going to get that side down. I may need to push this in to help get it down, but then that goes all the way down in now. So, and to take them out, again, you're going to go push in here. But if you go up high like this, it makes it a lot harder. So you want all the way down the slot, bottom of the slot, and even a slight angle down. Push down like that, and it will pop the cut pad. If it doesn't, you can pry up. When you're all the way in, you can pry up a little bit. You can try this side too. This side's usually the best one to use, but both of them work. And then you come on both sides, you just pull this out like that. So now I'm going to show you how this works here. You got there's basically three things that hold this cut pad in that would prevent it from going in. You got a metal plate here, and you got a metal plate here. If this cut pad's too long, it's going to be hitting the top of the metal plate and not wanting to go in on either side. Obviously, this side is the one you push down first, so it's usually going to be this metal plate here that's not allowing the cut pad to go down. But there's also a center bar that pushes on the side here to keep it tight in there. And I'll show you that right now. And when I push this in it, you can see that bar there. Let me get this behind it here. I'll pull it out there. You can see that center bar there. I'm pulling it out, and that center bar, you can push it in by pushing these things in. So that if I try to put that cut pad in now, that center bar right there is going to prevent it from going in. So that's why you would come in like this. This side first. You got to get past that right there, and then you slide this one in, and then you push this one down first. If you need to, if it's not going down, you can either back it up because it's hitting that edge there. So you can back it up just a little bit so it doesn't hit that thing that's sticking up there. Or you can try pushing this in or this in. And it should go all the way down once it gets us all the way in. But if it doesn't go all the way down like this in, then it's hitting that thing right there. And your cut pad's just a hair too long. And what you could do is you can remove your cut pad by pushing in here. You push in, again down, and you can pry up a little bit if you need to. But it'll pop your cut pad up. And you can take your cut pad out. And you can actually grind a millimeter or two off this edge if you need it to, with something like if you have a file it off. If you have a hacksaw, but you gotta be careful with the hacksaw because you're only looking to take off just a hair like that. So you're not looking to take off much, just a hair, because what it's doing, it's not going down this side. It's either being caught by this bar coming out, And you can fix that by pushing this in as you're pushing down on it. And I'll do that one more time. Let's see, it doesn't want to go out because it's barred here, so it doesn't want to go down here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to push in here as I do it. And it'll allow it to go on down. If it still doesn't go down, then it's catching that one there. And you need to make sure, one other thing I didn't even mention, make sure it's slid all the way to the side this way, you know, all the way to, that way it's up against this one before you push it down. And if it still won't go down, if it's hanging up on this side, you need to file a little bit off your cut pad, or we can send you a new cut pad that's just a hair shorter. This video was published by ndkpinternational.com.